I was notified my packages came. Let's look. I ordered a grounding device to attach to my shoes. Did you know that your shoes can prevent you from connecting to the Earth's natural healing energy? I got these grounding strips, so let's test if they connect my body to the Earth, or are these claims just completely bogus? All right, I just got this package from Amazon. I'm gonna open them up and let's check out these strips. Now, notice that I have some tennis shoes here, but they're a little too high for the strips, so I'm gonna actually switch them out to another pair of shoes. These strips are simple. They have conductive ends at both ends of the strip. The strip is basically plastic with adhesive. To attach a strip is simple. You put the adhesive side towards the shoe and then put it at the sole, wrap it around the heel and into the shoe. This is my equipment to test if the grounding strips will ground the human body. So this is an earthing product tester, and I don't recommend using this to test if you're truly grounded. This is why. So the way it works is that this tester just checks if there's a continuous circuit. I'm gonna make a continuous circuit with just my fingers. Notice how I'm not even connected to any grounding product, and I'm just making a complete circuit with my body and fingers, and then the tester lights up green. To determine if the product is truly grounding the human body, you have to use a multimeter. I use an analogic multimeter that can detect millivolts. That is absolutely important. Most people try to use multimeters that are not sensitive enough, and they often post in this Facebook forum that their multimeter is not working. But inside the house, I'm gonna show you how I measure my body voltage. I'm gonna use an earthing cable that I will plug into the outlet in the grounding port. Using banana clips, I'm gonna connect the earthing cable that's grounded to the outlet to the black lead of the multimeter. Notice when I pinch the red lead, my body voltage shoots up to 1.3 volts alternating current. To demonstrate that when I ground my human body, the alternating current will decrease significantly, using another earthing cable I will insert into the outlet ground in a separate socket. When I pinch the red lead, I have over 1 volt of alternating current in my body, which is due to the EMF that surrounds me in my home through the electrical wiring. However, when I touch the black lead and I'm grounded, it drops significantly. Now, most people are concerned that it doesn't drop down to zero. You don't have to drop down to complete zero to actually have benefits from earthing and grounding inside the house. If you actually have about a 90% to 95% reduction in body voltage, that is good.
All right, that's what I'm talking about!
This is the multimeter set up outside, and the red lead is what I will pinch with my fingers. The black lead will be connected through banana clips into a grounding rod that's inserted into the earth. In this first demonstration, I just want to show what my body voltage is when I'm completely grounded. So this is barefoot on grass. My body voltage is 1.3 millivolts alternating current. In this next demonstration, I am wearing socks, shoes, and the grounding strips. Standing on my tiptoes, my body voltage is over 23 millivolts alternating current. With my heels down, the grounding strips is now touching the grass. I decreased to 17 millivolts. I'm wearing cotton socks, so they are not very conductive until my body actually heats up the socks. There's body moisture through sweat. So these are pretty dry socks. So I'm gonna actually change them out and just wear barefoot inside the shoe and see how that changes my body voltage readings with the grounding strips. My body voltage is less than 5 millivolts alternating current. By being barefoot in my shoe, my body voltage is less because my skin is now in contact with the grounding strip, which is now in contact with the ground. People often ask, can they ground and earth on concrete? The answer is yes. My body voltage is less than 5 millivolts alternating current when I'm barefoot on the concrete. Now keep in mind that this is not as much as being on grass, and this is equivalent to using grounding strips that I installed onto my shoes. Being on dried wood chips is not very good earthing and grounding. You can see that my body voltage is more than 18 millivolts alternating current. I'm also standing next to an electrical utility box, which will also elevate my body voltage in that location. Standing on a rubber mat, my body voltage is almost 10 millivolts alternating current. When I stand on stone, my body voltage does not decrease any further. Likewise, when I stand on gravel, my body voltage does not decrease. I'm gonna wet down the stone and gravel with water and then see how that affects my body voltage. Making the stone and gravel wet does not change my body voltage significantly. So therefore, stone and gravel are not very good materials to earth and ground. As you can see, the grounding strips that I purchased can effectively lower the body voltage and therefore can be used to earth and ground. However, I am worried about the durability because it's just simple plastic and I wonder how long these strips will last. I think a better alternative is using earthing shoes. These shoes are more durable, they are designed specifically to earth and ground the human body as you're walking around. I ordered a pair and they're coming in the mail, so I will do some tests and then share them with you. Subscribe to this video so you don't miss that video. Personally, I think the best way to earth and ground is to sleep grounded with an earthing mattress cover. I have been using one since 2018 and I have experienced incredible sleep, also health benefits. If you want to know about the science of why earthing and grounding is good for you, watch this video here. If you're interested in the mattress cover from Earthing and also other earthing products, the link is in the description below. If you're interested in learning about earthing and grounding and how to improve your health, please remember to subscribe, like, and share my video. Until next time, have a great day.